Introducing ExamFX Securities live-focused webinars. Unleash the power of learning with our innovative live online study package. Enhance your online learning with our series of dynamic, live, interactive webinars. Deepen your understanding of the financial industry and ace your licensing exam with ease. Live-focused webinars target the most challenging exam topics in a live training environment with real-time interaction and Q&A. Maximize your time and accelerate your success. Candidates participating in our webinars save an average of 13 hours of online study time and are twice as likely to excel in their practice exams. Crafted to align with the latest FINRA and NASAW guidelines, our content simplifies complex ideas for easy comprehension and retention. Don't just study, master exam content with the live online study package. Register today to elevate your securities licensing journey.